Hello guys, this is Rom Tips. Today I show you how to buy a eSim that will work in Canada. The link and coupon will be in the description, and open description and click on link in voyafly.com, or open in your website voyafly.com and click on this and write Canada and click on this. Open this page and scroll down. And settings: unlimited 4G 5G data, no downloads or registration, keep your WhatsApp number, instant activation under 5 minutes, right? And choose data type: unlimited or fixed. Yes, I recommend unlimited. And choose a speed plane: light, plus, premium. I recommend plus or premium. I'm select plus and select your days. I am select 30 days and scroll down and click on buy it now. Open this page and write discount code ROAM tips and click on apply. This $20 discount and click on Google Pay or write email address, payment and billing address and click on pay now, and then open new page, buy eSim and send your email, QR code eSim and activation instruction. And that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me. Bye bye.